Hi, I'm Brian Tarbox. I'm a Principal Solutions Architect at Caylent and in AWS Kiro.
I'm Guille Ojeda. I'm a Senior Innovation Architect at Caylent and an AWS Community Builder.
And we just came out of the AI ML Keynote at the New York Summit. To me, the biggest announcement, even though it got announced yesterday, is Vector S3 as a vector store. I think this is incredibly game-changing. It brings all the power of S3 to vectors, and I can't wait to start using it. I got some concerns about this performance, but we'll dive into that in a bit. But to me, that was the biggest thing.
Fully agree. It kind of opens up a lot of new possibilities. And as you said, it was announced yesterday, and today's big announcement was Agent Core. So Agent Core is essentially a platform to build agents. It doesn't really introduce anything completely new, but it lets you do everything that we've already been doing, like plugging different pieces, picking different things from different places, like memory, like how do you integrate with external endpoints, and lets you do all of that in a single platform. So you don't have to use 10 different things. Now you can just use Agent Core.
Right, and I think it's a classic AWS move of taking something that was unique, has become undifferentiated heavy lifting, and making a service for that. All of the Agent Core stuff are things you could write yourself, but now they're saying we've done it enough, we understand it, you don't have to do it yourself. And Agent Core can connect to the agent marketplace, and as long as we have some vetting of the agent marketplace, the two of them put together could be really, really interesting.
Yeah, that's going to allow you to, like you said, not even write the whole framework that integrates everything, and also not even write the tools that you're using. You can just buy a tool from the marketplace. Security is already integrated in Agent Core. They even have browser use using Nova Act.
Right.
But I want to go back to S3 as a vector store. It really enables you to solve one of the biggest problems nowadays with Gen AI, which is long-term memory. We know how to handle 200 megabytes of vectors, right? But we don't know how to handle 100 gigabytes vectors.
I think it'll be the standard, because one of the impediments to starting to play with LLMs and agentic is, oh my God, I've got to get a database. And many of us have gotten burned by spinning up a database and getting burned by the cost of it. And then we haven't even talked about Kiro, which is an amazing editor, more the notion of a partner, and then Nova Act, which lets you interact with things. They did say, oh, this is a step on the way towards full generalized AI. I think we'll call that marketing. No, but so they had many, many cool things. They didn't need to exaggerate, because they did do many, many cool things.
Definitely, maybe not on the way to AGI, but yes, on the way to how we build agents and just making it a lot easier. They're making our lives easier.
Right, so stay tuned, watch for Caylent, deep dive blogs onto all these topics.
See you.